Hello mga kabayan. Again po, ito po si Bong Panligan at ito po ating opportunity presentation po patungkol po sa ating company na tinatawag nating Sherlock Nation. Okay? So again, this is me, Bong Panligan from London, and I've been doing this business po for almost 4 years now. At ang company po natin guys ay based po ito sa California, no? So, sa screen po na makikita natin, alam po natin na ang internet po, hindi po yan uso-uso. It's not a fad or hindi lang yan temporarily na darating tapos mawawala rin. But guys, it is a platform for evolution. Nagbabago po, nag-evolve po ang ating mundo ngayon. At syempre, naniniwala po tayo na ang internet po ay panghabang buhay na yan. Ginagamit po natin ang internet sa communication, sa e-commerce, at sa culture. Okay, so what do you think po na one thing in common, yung tatlo na yan na nakikita nyo sa screen? May-ari ng Google, may-ari ng Facebook, may-ari ng Amazon. Okay, one thing in common sila guys is that siyempre sila yung mga bilyonaryo. Maliban dyan, they give away their products po for free. Ginagamit po natin ang Google for free, Facebook po for free, Amazon for free. At marami po tayong napapakinabangan sa mga website na nabanggit natin. And guys, ang tanong po natin ngayon, bakit sila nagiging bilyonaryo? Well, unang-una po, gaya ng Facebook, gaya ni Mark Zuckerberg, yung CEO dyan, actually, although tayo naman naglalagay ng mga content sa Facebook, mga pictures, mga post natin, okay? Pero paano siya kumikita? Kung napapansin po ninyo, sa bandang kanan po ng Facebook ng homepage natin ay marami po yung mga advertisers, So yun po yung mga nagbabayad, sa Facebook. So guys, it's free to use, pero kumikita. Ganun din po ang concept ng ating pag-uusapan ngayon sa ating pong income opportunity. We give away our product for free. And at the same time, when people po na nagbe-benefit sa kanilang product na binibigay natin, meron din po tayong kikitain doon. So timing and trends, guys, success nga sabi dito is getting in front of the right trends at the right time and siyempre executing. Kumbaga i-take action din. Ang trend po ngayon guys is technology. Okay? Marami po tayo ngayon mga kaibigan, mga kamag-anak na ngayon po ay ginagamit na po ang technology sa communication. Dati nagbabayad na ng long distance. Ngayon po halos libre na lahat. Skype, Viber, WhatsApp, libre na ang communication all over the world. Yan po ang trend ngayon. Marami na rin po ngayon ang mga tao na namimili po online like sa eBay, Amazon. They book their flights online, they book their hotels online kasi po mas convenient. Kahit nasa gabi ka, alas 10 ng hapon, alas 10 ng gabi, nakapajama ka na, you can still buy things at the comfort of your homes. Okay? So dito guys, ito hindi po ito based sa Sherlock, Ito po ay base sa CNBC, okay? At sabi po dito na maliban po sa e-commerce, maliban po sa Amazon, sa eBay, meron pong very famous ngayon na kumbaga na merchant ng pangalan po ay Alibaba. Okay? Dati hindi natin kilala yan, pero ngayon po sobrang grabe na ang kanilang kumbaga revenue o sales ng Alibaba because of online buying. Okay? Now ngayon po dahil sa app na yan, kung makikita mo dito, Alibaba may invest $18 million. Guys, could you imagine? Mag-invest po sila ng $18 million on a Costco-like na app. Okay, so gaya po kayo ng mga ibang mga grocery stores, okay, Costco, Amazon, Tesco dito po sa UK, yung mga famous na mga super giant stores na yan, Morrison. Okay, you can actually po buy things online na ngayon by using your desktop or your mobile phones, and they will deliver to you po in a matter of few days. So 1 day, 2 days, meron nang pwede nang ilang i-deliver yung mga orders natin. Okay, so guys, hindi po kami nagsasabi niyan, even the company, ito po ay sa CNBC na talaga ngayon, ang trend ngayon is online or e-commerce na. Okay, so Kaganda po na sa ating business opportunity na ito is that ang ating pong store is open 24 hours yan. Hindi po yan natutulog. Kahit natutulog ka, your business is up and running 24 hours a day. Tingnan po natin guys ang ating pong mga statistics kung ilan na po ang gumagamit ngayon ng internet. Okay, 400 million. 400 million or 6.5% of the world population was connected to the internet last 2000, year 2000. Pero ngayon, 3.2 billion or 43% na po of the world population will be connected to the internet by year 2016. So nangyayari na po yan ngayon, guys. Okay? And also there were fewer than 1 billion cell phone users in 2000. Okay? And guys, look at this. There are 7 billion cell phone or mobile phone users in the year 2016. So halos lahat ngayon ng mga bahay guys, meron na lang mga cellphone or mobile phones. Okay? Sa isang bahay minsan may 3 o 4 gumagamit ng cellphone. Okay? At nakakonect pa yung sa internet. So ito po yung CEO or yun po yung ating may-ari ng ating company guys, si Michael Wider. Okay? Siya po ay taga USA, California, and he's been, in the internet space for several years, and he knows what he's doing. Siya po yung utak, siya po yung kumbaga the captain of the ship po ng ating company Sherlock Nation. Okay? And the mission of the company, the mission here is to allow people all over the world, an opportunity to save both time and money as well as becoming financially free. Siyempre, sino ba naman ang ayaw maka-save, makakuha ng magandang presyo when you buy things online. At the same time po, siyempre gusto din natin kumita. Aside sa ating regular na salary, regular na income sa ating employment, gusto rin natin po magkaroon ng additional stream of income. Okay? And we are here to help you to kumbaga make additional source of income. Now, ang pinaka-purpose lang naman po talaga ng ating product dito is that it will help you save both time and money. Kasi meron po tayong parang app or website na it's like an intelligent app, para siyang search engine na kumbaga halugugin niya, hanapin niya yung the best price for you kung ano yung gusto mong bilhin sa online. Okay? Ang product po natin guys, una-una kung mayroon kang mobile phone or cellphone, okay, pwede mo i-download yan sa cellphone mo na yung Sherlock application natin. Okay? So, in the last 2 years po, 2014, this powerful app was being used over 22 million times. Okay? Sherlock mobile app is available po sa iOS at saka sa Android. Okay? So, yun po, all you need to do is to download it. Actually po, free po yan. And then, if you have friends, invite mo lang sila to download the app as well para magamit nila po sa kanilang pamimili online. Okay? So, ito po actually guys, kaganda sa ating business dito. You don't have to necessarily recruit people na mag-join sa business. Pwede kang kumita dito sa kumbaga pagbibigay lang o pag-share ng ating product na application or app, or sa even sa desktop, they can also use that. So without even recruiting, just give away the app, unlimited po yan. If you become a member, a distributor in this business, you can give away your app, unlimited po yan, kahit ilang million yan, send it away all over the world. And when your friends or relatives find the best deals, get the benefit of the app, on your end po, syempre meron ka rin kikitain. Okay? So, ang kaganda po sa ating ditong isang advantage po sa ating product dito guys, as you keep buying things online, nag-accumulate po kayo ng mga points. Okay? So, para siyang voucher, At syempre, pagka ikaw ay suki na, you patronage using the app, buy things online, or book your hotels, or even book your flights online, and even your mga na-invite, na binigyan mo ng app, as they also buy things online, meron tayong tinatawag na loyalty, Sherlock Loyalty Program. Okay? Paano nag-work yan? Ganito po guys, explain ko lang mabuti, Kada invite mo, okay, kung meron kang isang customer na ma-invite, okay, na mag-download ng app and then, start using it, even though hindi pa sila bumibili, basta na-download na nila sa kanilang cellphone or sa kanilang desktop, you earn 50 points. Wow! 50 points kada guys, kada tao, kada customer mag-sign up. Libre po yan. They don't have to pay anything. Supposing meron kang 20 customers, no, nakapagbigay ka ng 20 applications sa mga friends mo or even your relatives all around the world, siyempre, 50 points times 20, that's gonna be 1,000 points. And guess what guys? I have good news for you, okay? The company says, pag maka-accumulate ka ng 1,000 points, the company will give you 10 pounds na voucher, no? Kung saan ka man sa lupalop ng mundo, guys, kung anong halaga ng 10 pounds na yan, ganun din ang halaga yan sa iyong current na currency, kumbaga, no? So, 1,000 points, ano? Meron ka na kaagad na voucher. So, pwede po yung gamitin natin sa ating pong purchases online sa Amazon o sa eBay. Okay? So, meron ka ng libreng pang-shopping, kumbaga. Give away your app. Guys, again, this is Bong Panaligan at ito po ay product presentation lamang. Kung gusto po ninyong maintindihan pa or magkaroon pa ng overview sa ating pong business opportunity, okay, you can watch my other video po para maintindihan mo yung kumbaga yung yung ating compensation plan. Kung magkano pwede pong kitain if you build a team of distributors. Okay? So thank you for joining, and if you need more information, just visit my website po www.bongpanaligan.com. Okay? Thank you very much guys and have a good day. Bye for now.